So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Discord your bar not working. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your Discord bar is not working, so you just follow this video to fix this issue. So guys, first of all, you hard restart and the app refresh. So if your profile bar at the top of your screen is missing or unresponsive, so it's mean your app interface cache has glitched. So you go to the settings if you are using the iPhone, then general, then select the Discord and click the option of offload. For Android user, just click on the application, go for info, and here you find the option of storage, then clear cache. Then guys, update to the latest version. So guys, if a fresh cache does not bring the tab back, so the app currently version might be outdated. Head to the app store or the Google Play Store and ensure your Discord app is updated to the newest released. Still having the issue? So guys, you logged out and logged back in, and refreshing your active user session for force the server to redeliver your user interface. Okay, and guys, you also try to check that the Discord server is properly working or not. Sometimes the server is not working properly and your bar is not load. Okay, for this simply go to the option of Chrome, open the Chrome browser. Okay, then guys go for search, and here you simply search the option of like Discord server, sorry, uh, okay, sorry guys, again open the Chrome browser and go for search and simply search Discord server status. Then guys go to its official website and check that all the operation is working perfectly or not. So guys, here you see few hours ago, here you see there is a partial outage for 1 hour. So at this moment, if you are logged in and so you facing such type of issues, otherwise basically this issue is not happening too much. So guys, thank you and have a